Looking for a high-performance Android car stereo to upgrade your vehicle's audio and video system? Meet the JXL 9inch car Android stereo, a feature-packed device designed to make your drives more enjoyable. Let's dive into its details. This stereo comes with a 9-inch 1.0 HD touchscreen, providing a crystal-clear display for videos, navigation, and controls. Its quad-core processor ensures smooth performance, whether you're switching between apps or streaming videos. With 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage, you can store and access your favorite media effortlessly. Connectivity is a key highlight of this system. It supports Bluetooth, USB, and Wi-Fi, giving you multiple ways to connect your devices. You can stream music wirelessly, take hands-free calls, or use your favorite apps with ease. The stereo delivers powerful sound with a 55x4W output, making every song sound clear and immersive. Whether you're listening to bass-heavy tracks or subtle melodies, the audio quality will leave you impressed. Additional features include steering wheel controls, allowing you to manage music and calls without taking your hands off the wheel. Plus, it comes with a reverse camera wiring for enhanced safety and a GPS navigation tracker to make your journey smoother.